She said, "You're all right now." She said, she goes, "Now that I'm free, I'm free." Really? You gonna help? Thank you. Thank you for the help. Oh, man, that was too much. That was ridiculous. Alright, so what else we got here? You gotta be freaking kidding me. I'm trying to figure out how she's done this. Man, that was ridiculous. Oh God, we got the back just as tied off as the front. No idea who that is, so we don't answer. Oh, come on. Really? You gotta be kidding me. Sandy, I'm gonna kill you. Oh, come on. It's ridiculous. Complete pain in the behind, folks. I'm telling you right now. Come on, really? All right, so Sandy's stuff has to all go up to her shed. We're getting this cleared out, opened up, because we have the bulldozer guys going to be coming in. So all this stuff has to be out of here. And so that is what the game plan is to get this squared away so that we're ready to go. And so Sandy's coming out today, just trying to be proactive, get things going ahead of time, and you know, getting them ready for her. But like I said, this whole area back here, this is going to go back, if you see, like from here over to there is probably 7-8 foot. So a lot of this is just shaled off. So he'll have to come in and he's going to go up to that level, and all of this is going to be out of here. So a lot of this is going to be pushed over behind. So the first thing I'm going to have him do is move. This is a dirt pile that we've been working into. I'm going to have him move that over into that area, and then any topsoil that he's taken off of the top of there, I'm going to have him add to that, and then the rest of the dirt is going to go back behind, off the hill back over here. So we'll open up, give that a little bit more room that way, and do that as well. So hopefully we'll get you know, this opened up and squared away and get the things where we need to get them. And but you know, a big part of this was getting this stuff out of the way. That's why you saw me working on the other part of the wood pile. All the kindling wood is now in the pavilion. I'm just going to have to move the rest of this other wood over here. And so, but she had this knotted down and tied up like unbelievable. I was like, holy crap. So she was definitely ready for the wind and everything with that. So I'll be taking this up and getting this squared away for her. So anyway, I'm going to jump off for now, guys. Quick video to kind of show you what one of the things we're working on today. We're going to continue to get other things cleaned up and squared away, and I will show you an update later on. All right. Remember, folks, we truly are all in this together. One race called the human race. As soon as we figure that one out, we're going to be in much better shape. Also remember to hug and kiss the ones that you love. Tell them every single day. Tomorrow is not guaranteed. We never know what's going to happen in life. So it's really important that we tell the people that we care about every day how we feel. Last but not least, STD, step, thing, and day. One step at a time, one thing at a time, and one day at a time. Whatever you're trying to accomplish, whatever you're trying to do, you can do it. The only one stopping you from reaching your goals is you. That's it, nobody else. Stay positive, stay away from the negativity, and you're going to be just fine. I hope you all have a great day, and I will talk to you later. Prepper Nurse 1, out for now.